Hi, I'm Jill Keb, co-founder of Plant Life Journey Retreats.
And I'm co-founder Kathy Taylor. Jill and I met over 30 years ago when I started working at the company that her dad started.
And Kathy helped run this company for over 30 years, so we've been friends a long time. It was great when we were closing the company to decide to run a retreat business together. The main focus is just health and longevity, which is applicable to everyone. It's something that everybody is concerned about, feeling good and living a good life, a good quality life. That is our main focus.
Jill and I understand that there are a lot of challenges in finding the time and the knowledge as to how to take good care of our bodies, especially in today's culture. Jill came to this lifestyle 30 plus years ago following the pain of food addiction.
I'm a former food addict, binge eater, and I am experiencing food freedom. I really appreciate the guests who come to retreat who are struggling with problems with food, late night eating, feeling like the food is controlling them. I really understand those issues, and it's much of a passion for me to help people with those issues.
I came to this lifestyle almost 20 years ago following an injury that led to a time of recovery where all the distractions in my life were kind of eliminated during that recovery time. And spiritually, I grew closer to God, and I started to wonder, how could I be better taking care of myself and be a better steward of this body so that I could be of better service to others.
Telling our story at the retreat is also something that we really enjoy doing and our guests enjoy hearing.
Jill and I have been through a lot together, and when we began planning on shutting down that company, we wanted to continue with retreats like she had been doing in South Haven, Michigan, near the beach for years. And we wanted to bring people in for a 6-day format, fully immersive, with hands-on cooking classes, where they would not only learn about the benefits of whole food plant-based nutrition, but be able to go home and be equipped to continue that lifestyle long after the retreat.
One of our favorite things about the retreats are hearing the laughter from the cooking classes and hearing how excited people are getting about the recipes and the new little habits that they know they're going to be able to start when they get home. The excitement builds towards the end of the week, and that's probably our favorite part. It's been 6 years. We've had over 200 guests come from over 25 different states, including Canada, and 13 returning guests. What a blessing. Even if you're unable to make one of our retreats, we're aware of many other wonderful retreats out there, and there's many ways to increase your health, your vitality, to feel good, and we're just supporting everyone on that journey. That's the bottom line.
We hope that this video gives you a little bit more insight as to who Jill and I are, and we just want you to know that we would love to have you at a retreat where you could come and feel accepted, seen, and cared for while you eat really healthy food and give yourself a break from life's distractions. We are happy to answer any questions that you might have. Give us a call, shoot us an email, however you like to communicate. We're here for you.
Many blessings to you on your health journey. Love from Kathy and I.